welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make money typing a word. Okay, stick with me to the end of this video. You are going to learn how to type and how to make money typing a word. Okay, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and like this video and share with your friend. They may be interested in making money online. Okay guys, let me dive into the video. Number one website I'm going to transcription.com. okay, this website make your video or more valuable your audience. Okay, you can type on this website and make more money for your site as a side also. Okay, you can type from home. All you need is your PC or your phone. Okay, but more easyable is to use your laptop. Okay, make sure you use your laptop, guy. Make sure you use your laptop. It's very good and decent. Okay, now as you can see they have different category. You can go with medical transcription, translation service, audio transcription, many more. Okay, when you come to this side, make sure you check this their category and services. Okay, and make sure you do the necessary needful. When you do that, all you need to do is just get registered with this website. But I'm going to show you how to test yourself and how to learn how to write fast for you to be accepted to this site. Okay, audio transcription, as you can see, audio transcription. Okay, audio transcription is very easy, guys. Okay, it's very easy. All you need to do is to go to Google Doc they will give you a script to transcribe through audio. Okay, when you go to Google Doc, let me show you guys, because I want you, anything you are doing on my channel, I want it to make it easy for you guys to implement. Okay, I don't want it to be hard for you to do. I'm going to show you what I mean by audio typing. Okay, it's very easy and safe to do. Okay guys, when the Google Docs load up, okay, you can use your PC or your phone. So all you to do is come to let it load up. Okay, let it load up. Okay, choose. Okay guys, translate document. As you can see, this translate document, hit it. When you hit it, okay, not this one is I need the audio, not this. I need the audio transcription. Alright guys, special okay. Okay, voice typing. Yeah, now on the audio transcription, guys, this is what you do. Okay, when you hit click speak, all what I'm saying it will be typing here. Now the script this site will give you, okay, daily transcription, this they will give you. Okay, it may be on PDF. Okay, you have to create your voice. Okay, as you can see, audio transcription service. When you come to Docs, it's very easy and free to do. Hit click and begin typing. Hello. Click and begin typing. As you can see, hello is typing, right? It's fantastic. Cool. Now after you have seen the easy way to type without even stressing yourself, just come to Doc after you have been applied to the website and they accept you and you verify. When they give you a script, come to Google Doc and implement what I show you now. It's going to work for you. Okay, let's go to the other side. The second website I'm going to show you is called casting word transcription. Okay, as it's easy to do. Okay, as you can see, per minute you make $1, week on per minute $1.50, $2.50. It depends on how hour you take to do the transcription job. Okay, per day you can make up to $100 to $50 or $150 per day. Okay, it's very easy to do. Just go and sign up with these guys and begin making side income for yourself. Okay, and what I'm about to show you now is how to test yourself for typing. Okay, how to test yourself for come to this website, is typingtest.com. When you're on typingtest.com, it's this medium test and easy test. Okay, now it's going to pop up some test idea, and I will type. When I type, you see what I'm trying to say. Easy, start. It will pop up some words. This site will teach you and test you on how to type fast. Okay, you will learn how to type fast, and you see per minute on how average you can type by fast. Okay, it's very simple to do. Okay, it's very simple to, as you can see, give. Let me type this. Cats, and this is never is never. As you can see, I've tested myself on how to write. Okay, idea especially. I still come to the next page and do so. This is how you test yourself on how to type. Okay, it's very easy and fantastic to do. You can come here and write idea. That this will teach you on how to be faster typer. Okay, that is cool. When you're on this side, it's free to learn. You don't have to pay for anything. Just come to type test and choose your medium or hard side and begin to test yourself. Okay, now the other website I'm going to show you is called 3playmedia.com. Okay, this you may know us as a captioning solution, but we do so much more. As you can see, this 3play media, you can it work like Google Docs. Okay, for you to come here and pay the service, you can become narrator and go to Google Doc, collect a script, and do implement what I teach you on this site. Okay, do implement that, it will work for you. Okay guys, another site I'm going to show you is called happyscribe.com. Now when you're happyscribe.com, you can become a transcription or subtitle. It depends on what you want. Okay, start for free and begin make cash also for yourself. These are the trusted people that connect to this website. As you can see, for BBC, Spotify, United Nations, DPA, RTE. These are legit websites you can go into and start making site also for yourself, guys. It's very easy to do and it's very easy to implement. Another strategy for you to become a typer is go to a site called fiverr.com. Okay, go to a site called, these are some gigs that are already on Fiverr. Okay, these are some gigs. As you can see, this guy say I will do fast exact data entry, copy paste, typing job and web, $5. You can come to Fiverr and create an account. Okay, and listed the price of your choice and start and operate your gig to become live. As you can see, this service is still cool to do. It's 3,000 service available compared to other service. Okay, this is cool, fantastic. Okay, you can join into this and begin make site also for yourself, guys. Okay guys, if you have any question, drop it in comments, and if you have anything that you want to share, drop it in comment and I will be there answering your question. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.